Hello, welcome to my Laravel tutorial episode 4. In this tutorial, I'll show you about CIUD. CIUD is the basic for every programming language. Whatever we would like to do, we just start from the CIUD. So, to make the CIUD, the first thing we have to do is to create a database, isn't it? So let's create Laravel tutorial. I'll show you the awesome thing in Laravel is we don't need to create tables in here, like create table. We don't need to do we no longer do like this anymore, because Laravel provides migrations and all the tables are created from the codes. Means migration is a kind of class that written to create the database tables and to create the columns in the code. So let's check migrations. The migrations is in the getting started, the basics, database migrations. In the migration, we need to create a migration class by this command. Let's create migration. I'll show you the migrations already. Two migrations already in every Laravel application. The one is for user tables, is kind of logging users to our applications, and it's already written in here. So if we do another migrations, the migration class will be reached at this folder. So let me run the command line. Make migration, or let's put a table. Let's create for the table. Why is it little long? Sometimes my PC is delaying. Okay, I created migration for the table. Oh, in this table, in this class, this is the kind of class that extends migration. In here, they are already written on to create a table by using this function. So up function is to create a table, and down function is to drop the tables. So let's create a table and column. Okay, app schema. Let me copy from here and paste it here. Schema create photos. This is the table name. ID. This is the increments main primary key of this table, and string for the name. Yes, for the name, and this description. It's not unique. You can learn more about migrations and learn more about in here. There are many kinds of migration columns type. Yes. Big increment, big integers, char. There are many types, isn't it? Median test point. You need to check this documentation to create columns. Let me show you a simple one. Okay, it's not it. So our table contains ID, photo name, and description. Timestamp means created date and updated date is already produced. Yes. In the down function, we need to drop tables. Photos tables. Yes. Okay, so we need to run this migrations. Before we run, we need to figure out about the env file. In env file, we need to connect with database. So in the database, let me check 127. This main local is right. DB port. My DB port is 3307. So let me change a little. DB database is I created goes 997 because I have many PHP files in itself. That's why. I created database here. So the database name is Laravel. We can copy from here. Okay, just copy and paste in here. I think username is root, password also root, maybe. So let's run this migrations. So to run migrations, we just make my command php artisans migrate. Or maybe password is now. I think it's true. Oh, this every time is every time happen in Laravel. In the Laravel versions, Laravel app versions, so you can figure out. So just find the solution. Masculine is I did in other applications. So let's check me first. Where I did it. So the finding is more first, I think. Because Laravel community is very big. It's a kind of very simple fixes. It just started from 5.4, I think. Great. Okay, this here. Just only that first string less, and this is where. Check another source. EBB service provider .php boot function. Okay, EBB service provider boot function. Just copy paste this line. Let's check it out. Oh, we need to use schema. Yes. So schema is used like this. Okay. Oh my god. You sent it already A6. Yes, because it's the first time we created, I think. Yes, but not successful migrations. That's why we need to drop this tables entirely. Drop and drop also, so we can create again here. Created table successfully. Okay, in here, okay, my photos table created in here with ID footer name is creation, and also users and password reset is building migrations file in Laravel. Okay, so we can get to it now. With migrations, we need to figure out another technology. It means seeds. Seed is the initial data set for the application in the first time. It's just kind of inserting test data in the, to make testing easily. Okay, let's check it. Where is seeds? Seeding. Okay. Seed is also like some kind of class. Yes, it's really simple. Use the table seeder. Yes. Database seeder. In the database seeder, we need to call this user table seeder or footer table seeder or something like this. Okay. So in the migrations, database seeds, in here database table seeder, and we need to call use table seeder footer table seeder, but we haven't created yet. Let's create later the table seeder. Okay, so now time to create the seeding class. To create the seeding class, we just use simply this command. Yeah, let's create. Oh, sorry. Yes, true. Make seed user table. Okay, user table created successfully. Let's create another. Sorry. It's just footer table seeder. Okay, let's create this in here. User table seeder and footer table seeder. Just run this user table seeder and footer table seeder. In this seeder class, we need to write only insert functions like this. table user. It's quite simple. Name, email, password. Name. This is the random SDR, but I always do like simply name. Email also admin@gmail.com. That's also admin, because my brain is very good. The user table seeder we just need to do. Let me check my migrations, and I did for the name and description all I need. For the table seeder, for the name, in for the name, description. This is the one, and here for the description. Yes, we don't need this. So let's create another this array with array. You can use like this. Okay, let's create another array. Let's create at least 3 rows. The first, second row, photo 2, description 2. The third row is photo 3 and description 3. Okay, this is our test data. So let's check how it works. This kind of usability down. I might be. Hey, I do before something wrong. I think. Let me do it again. .com. Okay, photo database here. So let's run seeding. The seeding is also can be ran by this command. Seed users and photo saving successfully in the back in photo. We have error. What is the error? I forgot one bracket. This is the duplicate entry because of. So we need to refresh migrate again. Make PHP artisan migrate refreshed. Refresh means create the tables again without data. So we can see it again. Description is No4. I think photo description. Yes. Description. It's just description. Why? Users. It's not user. It's just photos. Let me check again. Yes, it's photos. Let me migrate, refresh again. And also we can do seeds in here. Migrate, refresh seed. It means we drop the all tables and we create it again. And including we seed or class seeded. So the initial details are right here in this. Right here, isn't it? Very cool. So we can start coding. In a photo, seeder, full photo. In a previous URL, I think we make resource. Not yet resource. Okay, so let's comment it out. Let's make another browse. Photos. This means this is resource. Resource. To resource. Going to the photo controller. In the previous series, I talked about resource. So let me write through in here. Save and photo name. Create route. Yes, not going to save route. Just go to create route. So before we make, let's check the route is. And for tools, store the create. Okay, in this let's run photos. Get before we run we need to php is a self to run. Goes 8,000. Okay, photos. Yes, it's working. Now photos. Go to this view. Is to the blade of PHP. In this view, the URL is going to this route, but we create a new route, and let's go to this photo save. Create, yes, photo.store. We can use like this route photo.store. Let's run and check routes. It's a kind of photos and method is post. Let's check it out, it reach or not. And photo controller store is going to, let's check. Store is going to the store method in here. Yes, just button button this area. Request import photo name big. Okay, working. So let's also set this creation. Let me test creation. Not test is well working. This name and here this creation, and here you can get like this. You can use it import because it's coming from import. So let's create the photo, save to the database. To save to the database, we are no longer use SQL statement like insert into like this. In Laravel, we can download ORM, Object Relationship Management. It's a kind of object and it's already contained build function. Let's check it out. Quite better. Yeah, elegant ORM. It is that. I'm sorry, I have cough. To make ORM, we simply need to create a model. ORM means in Laravel, in a table, need to create a model class for each table. So we just make table for sorry, this is my mistake. The flag is not need to create. It's creating here. Nice. But let me delete. But we use structure new folder models. In the models folder we create model class, model think like this. Let's try this first. Body user photo. Okay, working in here. Oh, whatever. I think I wrong for the name. Just delete this. Game photo. This is the kind of eloquent model. It's already written about inside ability functions, but we need to configure some information. It's just kind of we need to announce the column that we save is a kind of it just simply filler for data filler. We need to it's a product filler. Our filler columns are photo name and description, and another we need to do is table name. The table name is photos. I think I'm not wrong. I think yes. Photos, yes. Photo name and description is filler data. Okay. So we can use this photo function. Use app model for instance photo. It's quite simple. It's OB syntax. So we can create data like this. Just call a function and check in here. Photo save. I think save. Save. This no, I don't really like it. Create. On top create. Okay, just use this. It's a kind of create a new object, and this object yes, photo name, put a description here and assembly save. What is written? Let's check it out. I need to end self. Cry exception. Okay, it is because this is photo name. We can run. Yes, it's return bold and true, and the data is saved here. Awesome. Okay, so create is finished, but I think it's not really finished. We need to make migration here. Okay, now I provide validation here. Now I provide validation already. So we can just use the validator class. So let's check in this documentation, because documentation always changing and updating function. Validation. Quick start. Let's check quick start. Quick start. Yes. Request. Require unique like this. So this the validation for title, and it require and Unix post events and mass slash. So we can check in here. Here are many validation rules. Sorry, my PC is running out of power. Okay, many validation rules. Let me show you. Where is the rules? The documentations are always changing. Validation rules. Filler validation rules. Yes. They are exist. Subcat. Additive URL. Subcat. Numerics. There are many validation rules, and we just use require in here. But we can research in here, and we can use whatever you want. It's a kind of very complete rules, and I think it's very perfect. And we can make custom validation rule. It's a kind of custom format in here. Let's check validation rules here. Oh, awesome. Okay, for the first time, let's use require validation. So what is reset? Yes. Validator make request all. In here, use validator. Request all, and title is photo name. Must be required, and mass slash is not is enough, and declaration is required, and here 100. Okay, 100 validator rules. So I will check if validator is false true. Can show only in view. Let's show AI in view. Has we are fast. We can use like this. we have error, this is the kind of like syntax. If we have error, we need to show error. Put a name. Let's find this error. I make a mistake. Yes, here is the error we need to show, and the description is also like this. Okay, you can simply run. Yes, congratulations, create is totally finished. And next tutorial I'll show you about get details, update details, delete details. Thanks for watching. Let me finish my lesson for today.